Hello students, so welcome back to your next class. Uh, in the last, I guess last unit we have seen the different reproductive cycles. In today's class we are starting unit number 5, that will be the economic important animals or economic importance of something like that. These two units, last two units, they are concerned with the एक आहेत इन्सेक्टची आणि सेकंड जो लास्ट युनिट आहे इट विल बी कन्सर्न विथ द ॲक्वाकल्चर. ठीक आहे. आता इन केस ऑफ युनिट नंबर 5 देर आर टू सबबिट्स. एक आहे बेनिफिशियल इन्सेक्ट आणि एक आहे हार्मफुल इन्सेक्ट. ओके. So these two subbits, this is very small unit actually compared to this other the 5 units. This is very small unit. तर आपण याच्यामध्ये जास्त वेळ न घालवता आय होप गेस की मी आज उद्या किंवा आणि परवा टाकून हे जे दोन्ही युनिट आहे हे फिनिश करणार आहे ताकी जेव्हा आपण युनिट नंबर 6 सुरू करणार आहे दॅट युनिट नंबर 6 इट विल बी व्हेरी वास्ट. आणि त्यामुळे काय होणार आहे की आपल्याला त्याला थोडा जास्त वेळ द्यावा लागणार आहे युनिट नंबर 6 ला. सो इन टुडेज क्लास वी हॅव फिनिश्ड युनिट नंबर 4th. We are starting unit number 5. Today we are starting unit number 5. So in today's class we are going to see the beneficial insect. Insect म्हणजे काय आपण बघितले की आर्थ्रोपोडा इट इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट फायला इन द होल किंगडम एरिया. सगळ्या किंगडम ॲनिमालियामध्ये जो काही फायलम आर्थ्रोपोडा आहे हा सगळ्यात मोठा आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जो क्लास आहे क्लास इन्सेक्टा त्यामध्ये काय डिफरंट इन्सेक्ट तुमचे बीटल्स असतील, बर्ड्स, पकड्या घरातल्या, ग्रास हॉपर्स, हे काय याच्यात दिस ऑल आर इन्सेक्ट दोज हु आर हॅव्हिंग 3 पेअर ऑफ लेग्स. ज्या इनव्हर्टिब्रेट मध्ये 3 पेअर ऑफ लेग्स असतात ते ऑल बिलॉंग्स टू द क्लास इन्सेक्टा. त्यांच्यामध्ये 3 पेअर्स म्हणजे एकूण 6 पाय असतात. त्यांच्यामध्ये 3 पेअर्स ऑफ लेग्स आर प्रेझेंट. दे आर class insecta. There are beetles, there are different insects, there are grasshoppers, there are like honeybees, there are houseflies. They all are belonging to the insect. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे की काही इन्सेक्ट जे आहेत दे आर हार्मफुल अँड some are beneficial and some are harmful. The harmful कोणते कोणते आहेत आणि beneficial कोणते कोणते आहेत we are going to see one by one. लक्षात ठेवा की इन केस ऑफ नेचर निसर्गाने एखादा ॲनिमल तयार केलेला असेल. सपोज इफ देर आर ॲनिमल्स हु लिव्स इन द नेचर दे आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट टू अस. दे आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट टू नेचर लाईक अस. जसं की माणूस मोठा आहे म्हणजे तो निसर्गाला महत्वाचा आहे असं होत नाही. ऑल ॲनिमल्स whether they are invertebrates, whether they are vertebrates, they all are equal to the nature. सगळे समान आहेत फॉर द नेचरला. ठीक आहे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेचर एव्हरी ऑर्गॅनिझम इज इम्पॉर्टंट. पण मग हे कशी काय काही दे आर सम आर हार्मफुल सम आर बेनिफिशियल. मग हे असे का बरं आहेत वाय देर आर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन इन्सेक्ट. वी विल सी व्हॉट इज बेनिफिशियल म्हणजे नक्की आपण त्यांना बेनिफिशरी का म्हणायचं आहे. द बेनिफिशियल insect have behaviors which directly simulate the health of the garden, your farming, your farm, and then ultimately the environment. They inhibit other bugs from hurting the vegetation. These insects can be attracted by staying away from pesticides, mulching, and diversifying your planting. So ultimately they are biopesticides. We use chemical pesticides in our farm. आपण फवारणी करतो शेतामध्ये. कशी करतो फवारणी? We use different chemicals. त्या केमिकलचं काय होतं की दिस केमिकल्स we use to control the pest. With that chemical that फवारणी we are doing that will be for the controlling pest. There are some insect who control that pest. ठीक आहे. अशी काही कीटक आहेत की ते जे काही आळ्या आहेत तुमच्या पिकांवरच्या ते खातात. सो दे अल्टिमेटली दे आर बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. ही काही कीटक जी आहेत ती तुमच्या शेतावरच्या पिकामध्ये पडलेल्या आळ्या खातात. त्या आळ्यांना खाणारे जे इन्सेक्ट आहेत ते तुमच्यासाठी कशा आहेत बेनिफिशियल आहेत, तुमच्यासाठी कसे आहेत चांगले आहेत की ते तुमचं पेस्ट कंट्रोल करतात ते. Then again we are having insect which are helping us in the pollination. Honeybees are there are other insects also which are helping us in case of pollination. Remember that if there is no pollination, कोणताच पिकांवरती पीक तुमचं पिकणार नाही. जर तिथे पॉल्युशन झालं नाही तर तुमचं पीक पिकणार नाही. There is a must to be a plant is pollinated. Okay, so the pollination has to be done in case of your farm, and that pollination is done by the different insect. Then there are some insect which are helps to the plant growth, and they are also helping you to the control diseases in case of your farm, your plants. Now, beneficial insect. What is beneficial insect? Beneficial insect are insect that play major role in reducing and controlling population of both plants and insect pest by acting as a both predators and parasites to their detrimental organisms. The beneficial insect are those insects which are playing a role. They are functioning to reduce or to control population of plants. जे तणकट वाढलं म्हणतो आपण शेतामध्ये त्यालाही कंट्रोल करण्याचं काम काही इन्सेक्ट करतात. So they are beneficially for you, or they are beneficial for you, and they are very much important in case of your farm. Then the pollinate plants contribute to the decay, and the pollinate plants contribute to the decay of organic matter, and they are also help to recycling the nutrients and attack other insects and mites that are considered to be pests. Considered to be pests, and they are completely prevent or limit the pest problems. They are helping in pollination. They contribute to decaying material. They are contributing to the cyclic nutrient. This is nutrient cycle करायला ते मदत करतात. And they are also attacked onto the other insect who are pest your plants and mites. And they are considered to be the great pest control in case your farm. Now, why the insects are beneficially? So they are decomposers, they are pollinators, they are pest controller, they are food sources for other animals. Then help to maintain the balance of insect population. Then attack weeds. They attack weeds, pollution of flowering plants, including honey. Then beeswax. These are some byproducts which are given by the honeybees. So these are why the insect are beneficial. आता कोणते कोणते आहेत we'll see. एक आहे ladybug. It is also called as a lady beetle, or they are also called as a brown beetle because they are having the brown color. The body is you can see the body is hemispherical, oval shape without wings. Beetles मध्ये wings are absent. So they are found in some light pink, orange color. They are having dots on their body, 3 pairs of legs, chelate legs. Then हे eyes कुठले असतात? They are having two white spot you can see here. These are the eyes. So why they are beneficial? Because these ladybugs they feeds on soft bodied pest like aphid. ते तुमच्या आळ्या असतात. So त्या आळ्या खायचं काम काय करतात हे ladybug करतात. So the adult they are feeds on soft bodied pest like aphids. Then aphids kill insect, mealybugs and mites. So these हे काय हे ज्या अळ्या आहेत त्या अळ्यांना खायचं काम हा लेडीबग करतो. Again, they also lay their eggs among the aphids or other prey. So the emerging larvae can feed on 200 to 500 of those eggs. म्हणजे हे काय करतात की त्यांची जी अंडी आहेत ते देतात अंडी विथ जिथे हा जो ॲम्फिड नावाचा एक अगेन बिटल आहे त्या ॲम्फिडच्या अंड्यामध्ये त्याची अंडी ते मिक्स करतात आणि जेव्हा ती अंडी बाहेर येतील तेव्हाच ती जी एमर्जिंग लेडीबग आहेत जे काही उगवणारे लेडीबग आहेत ते त्यांच्या ॲम्फिडच्या अंड्यांना खाऊन घेतात. सो दीज आर द beneficiary insect for the human. Then we are having damsel bug. I don't know what is Martin called it, but हा आपल्या घरामध्ये आढळणारा फ्रिक्वेंटली आहे. तुम्ही याला झाडाच्या पानावरती नेहमी बघितलं असेल बघा. एक दोन तीन पायांचे ज्यांचे पेयर्स असतील, दे आर ऑल बिलॉंगिंग टू द क्लास इन्सेक्टा. सो यू कॅन फाइंड दिस damsel bug frequently in your plants. हा झाडांच्या पानावरती you can find it. So the white is beneficiary because both adults and the nymphs feed on a wide variety of insects, including aphids, leaf hoppers. जसे की आपले हे असतात ना ग्रास हॉपर्स, like that. They are the leaf hoppers, then bugs, mites, and the small caterpillars. ह्या सगळ्यांना खायचं काम करतो तो damsel bugs, which are these. They are the pest. They are the pest to your plants. So these pests, they are eaten by this damsel bug. And we are having honeys. The importance of honeys for the human, they are like abundant. We know that they are the great pollinators, and they are also giving us like honey, wax, which is very much important in our routine life. Then we are having ladybug. It is a caterpillar. ही एक आळीच आहे. It grows about 0.4 inches in length, and both mature and larval ladybugs feed on harmful aphids and various other harmful insects. Then damselfly. These you can find this beautiful insect onto the flowering plants. जिथे जसं तुमचं जवारचं हे असतं, कणीस असतं, जवारचं कणीस, बाजरीचं कणीस. So you can find these damsel flies on that कणीस, and they are very much important because nymphs live in water and feed mostly on the mosquitoes and midge larvae. म्हणजे याचे जे लार्वी आहेत, adult flies, they are residing onto the flowering area of plants, but the larvae, they are living under the water, and they feed on the mosquitoes, so they control the mosquito. Again, the adult damselflies feed on adult mosquitoes and other aquatic insect. So the larvae, they also they also feed on the mosquito, and the adult flies, they also feed on the mosquitoes. So they are controlling mosquitoes in the environment. Then we are having spiders. Spiders are predators of pest insect. Most of the spiders, they are predators of the insect, but they may be bite to the humans, disturbed by humans if they get disturbed. And we all know that spiders are getting more attention in the research area. जसे की आपण बरेचसे हॉलिवूडचे मूवी बघतो आहे की इन दॅट मूवीज वी आर युझिंग डिफरंट spiders for the regeneration. In case of humans, they use as an experimental animal for the research on regeneration. Then we are having spiderfeet fly. तुम्हाला हा ओळखीचा वाटत असेल कदाचित. These spirid fly maggots are predators of amphibians, scale insects, and thrives. One maggot can consume 400 to 500 amphibians in its lifetime. म्हणजे एक जो मॅगॉट आहे, एक जो मेगॉट आहे, हा एक मेगॉट जवळपास 400 ते 500 amphibians खायचं काम करतो. दे आर controlling the pest in case of farms. Then we are having lace wings. It just like a, you can say it just like a grasshoppers. You can see the transparency of the wings. That's why they call as a lace wings, because they look like a lace of the cloth. जसे आपण लेसचे कपडे घालतो, like that this looks like a lace cloth, so they call it as a lace wings. So adult lace wings are they generally in green color, or sometimes they can found in the brown color. Then their antennas and eyes are in the gold color. They are about 4 inch slender. Larvae grow into again 3 inch stars. Life is indirect. Why they are important, because most of the lacewings, they feed on again uh, they feed on the flowering plants. So they suck the nectar, and they are also great pollinator. They are helping in the as a pollinators. They help us in the pollination of flowering plants. Then we are having tachinid flies. These flies you can found on बोरिका प्लांट, झाड असतं बोराचं. The बोरावरच्या झाडावरती you can find these flies. Some are having, here you can find, if the body color is green म्हणजे it's like a peacock color, मोरपंखी कलरची बॉडी असेल तर they are having a red eyes. Sometimes they are having a red color body with the green eyes. It depends. I guess that will be the sexual dimorphism in case of tachinid flies. These flies they live on to the fruity plants, fruity white plants, and they feed on the caterpillars, beetles, bugs. They are having similar features like our house flies. आपल्या घरातल्या अशा माशा असतात तसं ते असतात, but they are literally large in size. They are large in size than the house flies. So these tachinid flies they feed on the caterpillars, beetles, and the bugs. The larvae feed on the caterpillars, beetles, grasshoppers, and sawflies. So these are all the pests in case of farming. Then adults resemble the house flies, but this they are vary in the size and position and shape. Uh, Most of the tachinid flies they are parasitic in nature. So the species they have to be they feed onto the flies, true bugs, grasshoppers, and other insects. Then we are having soldier bugs. तुम्ही याला जिथे flowering plants असतात you can find this soldier bugs. They call it as a soldier because they are great pollinators, and they tremendously voraciously feed onto the aphids. They mostly studying onto the plants of potato, tomato, sweet corns, cold crops, beans, eggplants, wangi, cucumber beets, asparagus, apples, onions, etc. And they are having the sucking type of mouth parts, so they can be suck the juices which are in case of plants. So this is again a one kind of beneficial insect for the humans because they largely feed on to the aphids, and these aphids are very much pest for to the farmers. Now we call it is as a beneficial insect because they help to keep the population size and density of other insects within reasonable limits because they largely feed on to the insect, those are the pests for the plants, and they all the beneficial insect they keep the population size and density of other insect with a reasonable limit. Then predators are generally active in seeking out their prey, and they usually consume many individual their lifetime. As जिथे शिकारी असला तो त्याची काय करतो शिकार करतो, so for their lifetime. Then a parasitic insect on the other hand generally attached to the body of single host. More extreme form of parasitism. I told you some insect they are used as a decomposers, and they are also helping to the recycling of nutritions. Those we are these some insect they are useful for the recycling of nutrients. Then some are used for the pollinations. Then some are used for weed management. ते तुमचं तणकट होतं तणकट जे होतं शेतामध्ये, so that is a weed control. Some insect they are also useful for the weed management. Then some are useful for the commercial products. म्हणजे काय की हनी त्यांना त्यातून तुम्हाला पैसा मिळतो. These are the commercial insect, and these commercial insect they are useful commercial products they are getting by the insect. Some insects they are also useful for the commercial products like honey, wax. Then we also use honey for the different cosmetic products. Then silkworm, रेशीमच्या साड्या आपण घालतो तसं इट्स प्रोडक्ट बाय सिल्कवर्म. देन लॅक इन्सेक्ट ज्या आपण लाखाच्या बांगड्या म्हणतो, ज्या आपण लाखेचा बांगडा म्हणतो. So it is that lakh is collected by the lakh insect. Then dyes. There are certain insects which are useful for the dyes and drugs. काही जे insect आहे, we are using them as a in case of medicines. So, ठीक है. So these are some beneficial insects. These are some beneficiary insect which are very much beneficiary to the human being. We'll see you in next class with the harmful insect. Okay, sure.